Classic vanilla cupcakes. Soft, fluffy, and easy recipe. Who doesn't love soft, fluffy vanilla cupcakes? They're a timeless treat perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just because. Today, I'll show you how to make the best homemade vanilla cupcakes with a creamy buttercream frosting. Let's get started. Ingredients for the cupcakes. 1 cup 190 g all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, teaspoon salt, cup 115 g unsalted butter, softened cup 150 g granulated sugar to large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, cup 120 ml whole milk for the buttercream frosting, cup 115 g unsalted butter, softened 2 cups 250 g powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons milk or heavy cream. Step 1. Preheat and prepare. Preheat your oven to 350 F175C and line a 12-cup muffin tin with cupcake liners. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients, whisk flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Set aside. Step 3. Cream butter and sugar. Beat butter and sugar for 2-3 minutes until light and fluffy. Step 4. Add eggs and vanilla. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well. Stir in vanilla extract. Step 5. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add dry ingredients to wet ingredients, alternating with milk. Mix until just combined. Step 6. Fill and bake. Fill cupcake liners to thirds full and bake for 18-20 minutes. A toothpick should come out clean. Step 7. Cool cupcakes. Let cupcakes cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Step 8. Make buttercream frosting. Beat butter, then gradually add powdered sugar. Mix in vanilla and milk. Beat until fluffy. Step 9. Frost and decorate. Pipe or spread frosting on cooled cupcakes. Add sprinkles if desired. Step 10. Enjoy and subscribe. Your homemade vanilla cupcakes are ready. Like this video, subscribe to the Royal Plate, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!